Hi, Tara. I just thought I would send you a just quick little video on a few things. Let's just go over your exam. You did great on question number one. Question number two, what is the POA designation? This should be yes, because the patient did come to the hospital with fatigue, and the reason they had the fatigue was because of the aplastic anemia. So it was present on admission. They did great on number three for the bone marrow biopsy. This one here, and I did write a short little note. Um, with this, the first procedure is correct. Okay, as you can see here, we're lining them up. The second procedure here, we needed the R because that's for platelets. So it looks like here you have red blood cells again. So just off on this one, we did really need platelets for that. Okay, I'm not for sure, and we're going to go over this. I just want to make sure you know where the MSDRG, I am using the 3M system, but I do have it pulled up, so we're going to go through that. Okay, so I needed the principal diagnosis actual code for this, not the statement. I needed the E04.2. This one here, the H9 0.5 is correct. You are not the only one on this one. H9 0.3 is actually bilateral. So if you look through here, it does not even say what ear or both ears or anything like that. So we don't have the documentation to code bilateral. Okay, so let's go ahead here. The POA indicator on this is a yes. All right. So, and here's what I want to pull up. Okay, so I just kind of want to point a few things out here. Look at my arrow. Okay, the DRG for this is 627. The relative weight is 1.085. Now, when I look at this, I want to get my POA indicators in there. So I right click the code. If you are using 3M, I can just go right here and hit yes, yes, yes. And all my POAs now become yes. So again, DRG 627. And here is the weight, 1.085. So just look here. I'm not sure you have, and this could be a different thing. If you didn't put in the exact code at the principal diagnosis, it's going to throw your DRG off too. So a lot of times I tell students, with that admitting diagnosis, you can go ahead and add it in. And if you're putting it as principal, make sure you then again go back and put principal diagnosis in again. Okay. Some students put the principal diagnosis in where the admitting diagnosis is, and that's going to throw off your DRG. Okay, so with that, you did great on this MSDRG with figuring it out. So let me know if I can help you at all or if you need any assistance.